Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn more hobby upgrade tickets in Heartopia. So those tickets are basically to upgrade your hobby levels. If you go to hobby, you'll need to upgrade here. As you can see, I will need 4 more to upgrade my fishing hobby. Basically, to obtain it, you can just kind of like click here and you'll see 2 ways to obtain it. You can obtain it by leveling up your DG level, and you can also get it from collection rewards. So every time you upgrade your DG member, you'll get rewards here. As you can see, you get 4 tickets. Well, sometimes you get 12. You can see here you get 2 sometimes, you get 2 here. It depends. You get 8 there. It depends on the level of DG member. So yeah, make sure you do those daily tasks every day. And again, you can also get it from like collections, I guess. I don't know which one. Like, oh, from like your hobby collections. So here, you'll be able to see you get like tickets from here too. And here as well. I don't think you get it from like clothing though. I think you only get like stars and coins and items. So you'll only be able to get it from these like hobbies. I don't know, do we get it from dog movements or no? Okay, maybe just like these hobbies. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!